Ever found yourself at an ATM needing cash, but don't have your physical CommBank card? No problem. First things first, open your CommBank app on your smartphone. Ensure you have a stable internet connection to proceed. Once logged in, navigate to the More or Menu option. This is usually found at the bottom or top of your screen, depending on your app version. Within the menu, look for and tap on the Cardless Cash option. This is your gateway to accessing funds without your card. Now, you'll need to select the account you wish to withdraw from and enter the exact amount of cash you need. Remember, there are withdrawal limits, so be mindful of those. Carefully review the details, then tap Confirm or Next to proceed. You might be prompted for your net code or another security verification step. Once confirmed, the app will generate a unique 6-digit ATM withdrawal code. For you, this code is time-sensitive, so make sure you head to the ATM promptly. Head to any CommBank ATM on the ATM's welcome screen. Look for the option that says Cardless Transaction or Cardless Cash. On the ATM, you'll be prompted to enter the 6-digit code you received in your CommBank app. Enter this number carefully. Next, the ATM will ask you to enter the exact same withdrawal amount you selected in the app. Double-check this to avoid any errors. And just like that, your cash will be dispensed. It's a secure and convenient way to get your money when you need it most. With Cardless Cash, managing your money on the go has never been easier. Subscribe for more simple banking tips.